Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a trip to one of the greatest wonders of the world, the Pyramid of Cheops. Does this structure really hold secrets that can change our understanding of ancient civilizations? The latest research has shown that the pyramid may contain hidden rooms, unknown technologies, and even mysterious energy anomalies. Let's find out together what science and researchers have discovered in this monumental structure, and whether it really contains traces of mysterious technologies of the past. In early 2023, a team of archaeologists and physicists from the University of Egypt, in collaboration with Japanese researchers, launched an unprecedented project to study the Great Pyramid of Cheops using state-of-the-art technology. After discovering several hidden cavities in the pyramid in previous years, scientists sought to better understand its mysterious structures, which had remained hidden behind massive walls for centuries. The main focus was on a large cavity above the Great Gallery that was discovered in 2017. But until 2023, there was no accurate data on its purpose. One of the most exciting aspects of the new research was the use of muon radiography, which allowed for a detailed map of the pyramid without having to compromise its integrity. Muons, elementary particles that naturally penetrate deep layers of stone, allowed the researchers to create a 3D image of the pyramid's internal structure, revealing that the cavity was much larger than expected, stretching almost 30 meters in length. The scientists suggested that it could have been a special room with a unique purpose, possibly ritual or scientific. Since the discovery was made public in 2024, there have been numerous suggestions that the cavity could be a repository of unknown artifacts or even contain technologies that Egyptian pharaohs could have acquired from more advanced civilizations. This theory is supported by ancient texts that mention the so-called Room of Knowledge under the pyramids, where the secrets of the gods were kept. Researchers, impressed by the pyramid's engineering precision, note that even in modern times it would be extremely difficult to build a structure of this magnitude that could withstand millennia. Some experts even suggest that the pyramid could have used special methods to ensure its stability and preservation over the centuries. One of the most interesting theories being discussed in connection with the new discovery is the hypothesis that the pyramids could have been built with the help of external forces, perhaps even of alien origin. Proponents of this theory believe that the knowledge of construction and precise calculations could have been provided to humans by some other, more advanced civilization. The precision of the geometry, the orientation of the pyramid to the cardinal points, and the complex mathematical calculations recorded in its structure surpass the known engineering capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. This theory is also supported by the amazing coincidences in the proportions of the pyramid, which coincide with astronomical constants, which may indicate the presence of knowledge that was far ahead of its time. According to the proponents of this theory, the hidden room may hold the key to understanding whether the pyramids are really the work of earthly craftsmen or the result of cooperation with some unknown external force. In 2024, the Egyptian authorities issued a permit to conduct a new study using robotic devices that can reach hard-to-reach parts of the pyramid. A team of Japanese engineers has developed a special mini-robot capable of passing through narrow passages and collecting video data from a room that may not have been visited by a human being. This robot will be equipped with special sensors to measure radiation background, temperature, and humidity, which will allow scientists to get more information about the state of preservation of materials and possible artifacts that may be there. This research will provide detailed information about the cavity, which could fundamentally change our understanding of the Great Pyramid of Cheops and its significance in human history. The researchers also plan to use innovative methods of spectral analysis to detect the presence of organic materials or even traces of ancient substances that could have been used for ritual purposes. Scientists believe that any new findings may shed light on the religious practices of the ancient Egyptians and provide answers to questions about how they perceived their gods and what role the pyramid itself played in this process. Will humanity be able to uncover what this mysterious room hides, and will researchers find evidence of the pyramid's possible connection to other civilizations? The answers to these questions may forever change our understanding of the history of ancient Egypt and its connection with the mysterious technologies of the past. The discovery of this hidden room could not only be a scientific breakthrough, but also usher in a new era in the study of ancient civilizations, revealing the secrets they have kept for thousands of years. Each new fact, each discovery, can bring us closer to understanding how advanced and mysterious this great culture was, and whether we are only just beginning to realize how much ancient knowledge can change our modern perception of the world. In 2024, after decades of research, the pyramids of Egypt became the object of another scientific breakthrough caused by the discoveries of scientists from Europe and Egypt. They tried to unravel one of the greatest mysteries of the Cheops pyramid, its internal structure and the mysterious rooms hidden behind the massive walls. Using the latest LiDAR laser technology and three-dimensional simulations, the researchers discovered a number of spacious, hidden rooms that are not connected to the main passages of the pyramid. This discovery added even more mystery to the already known secrets. One of the most interesting aspects of the research was the hall, discovered at a depth of 40 meters, which was called the energy room. According to the data obtained, this room differs from the others in that its walls are covered with microscopic quartz crystals. It is known that quartz has special properties of energy storage and conduction, and this discovery inspired researchers to hypothesize that the pyramid could have been used as a powerful energy center for unknown purposes. This room measures about 10 by 5 meters and contains unexplained structures that may have been used to store or transform energy. Physicists from the University of Leipzig and the Egyptian Institute of Archaeology, who took part in the study, argue that the pyramid could have been created to manage energy of terrestrial origin by collecting geothermal energy and using it for unknown purposes. The theory of the pyramid's energy center is also supported by historical evidence. For example, there are references to a mysterious power that pharaohs could use in many ancient texts. These texts refer to the light of the gods and fire that does not go out, which suggests the use of unknown energy sources. In 2024, the archaeological team, together with a group of physicists, also collected crystal samples from the inside of the pyramid for additional research. The analysis showed that the crystals are much older than the pyramid itself, indicating the possible use of ancient artifacts or even materials from other areas. During the experiments, the scientists noticed that under certain conditions, the crystals emit a weak light, which suggests that they could be used to illuminate the pyramid's rooms or to transmit energy. Scientists have also suggested that quartz could have been used to create resonance effects that help to amplify the energy fields in the pyramid. Theories about the pyramid as a powerful energy center have become so popular that they have even attracted the attention of space agencies. A joint project between NASA and the European Space Agency, ESA, is planning to create a model of the pyramid in space to study its capabilities as a receiver of cosmic energy. This research could open up new ways of harvesting energy in space, but before that, it is necessary to understand in detail the mechanisms on which the pyramid is based. Scientists hope that understanding the principles of the pyramid's functioning can help create new technologies to provide space missions with energy. The researchers also suggested that the pyramid could be designed to transmit energy over long distances. There is a hypothesis that pyramids around the world, particularly in Latin America and Asia, could have been part of a single global network that harnessed the energy of the Earth and space. This theory is based on the observation that pyramids have similar design features and orientation to the cardinal points and are located on lines called ley lines, which are supposed energy channels of the planet. Some researchers suggest that these structures could interact with each other, transmitting energy over vast distances. However, the question remains as to why the Cheops pyramid was built. Could it really serve as a source or receiver of energy? Could the ancient Egyptians have built the pyramid using technologies we don't know? Or is it possible that the pyramid is a monument of an even older, unknown civilization that had knowledge of energy that was ahead of modern science? According to some researchers, these hidden rooms may hold the answers to these questions, but to get them, it is necessary to continue research and use even newer technologies. In 2024, the Egyptian authorities issued a permit for a new study using robotic devices that can reach hard-to-reach parts of the pyramid. A team of Japanese engineers has developed a special mini-robot that can go through narrow passages and collect video data from a room that may not have been visited by a human. This robot will provide detailed information about the cavity, which could change our understanding of the Great Pyramid of Khufu and its significance in human history. The research also revealed a number of anomalous magnetic fields that were recorded using laser technology and muon radiography. These anomalies indicate the possible presence of materials or objects that have unique properties and can affect electromagnetic processes in the pyramid. This discovery reinforced the assumption that the pyramid could function as a device for generating and storing energy. Scientists from Kyoto University suggest that further study of these anomalies may provide new information about the purpose of the hidden rooms and their possible role in maintaining the energy balance inside the pyramid. Will humanity be able to uncover what this mysterious room hides? And will researchers find evidence of the pyramid's possible connection to other civilizations? The answers to these questions may forever change our understanding of the history of ancient Egypt and its connection with possible mysterious technologies of the past. The discoveries that lie ahead may be even more surprising than the ones we have already made, and it is possible that they will revolutionize our understanding of history and science. In addition to scientific research, the latest discoveries have attracted public attention and sparked a growing interest in alternative theories. Social media and documentaries are actively discussing the possibility that ancient civilizations had access to energy sources that are now considered fantastic. This interest helps to popularize research and attract new investments for further study of the pyramids. Is it possible that further discoveries will further strengthen the theory that the ancient Egyptians possessed knowledge that far exceeds our current understanding of energy and technology? This is a question that we may be able to answer in the coming years. In 2024, interest in the Cheops pyramid gained global proportions again after new data from Japanese researchers who scanned the pyramid using muon tomography. This technology allows imaging using muons, subatomic particles that pass through massive objects, and allow us to see hidden cavities and structures without causing any damage to the structure. The scan revealed strange voids at a considerable depth inside the pyramid that have no connection to known passages or rooms. One of these voids has an unusual shape and is located in the central part of the pyramid. It is about 30 meters long and could be part of a previously unknown room system. The researchers noted that its location and structure were created deliberately, which raises questions about its function and purpose. The discovery has sparked debate among archaeologists and supporters of alternative theories. Some believe that the voids may be remnants of ancient technologies that remain unknown. It has been suggested that the cavities could have been used as energy chambers to store or redirect energy. It is believed that the Cheops pyramid could have served not only as a tomb, but also as a technological facility for energy storage. Another interesting detail is the unusual metal elements in the structure of the pyramid. Some of them are located along certain lines, which led to the idea that the pyramid could be used to transmit signals or communicate. Proponents of the extraterrestrial intervention theory have suggested that these structures could serve as a transmitter or even a portal to communicate with other civilizations. Such claims, although unconfirmed, add to the intrigue of the Cheops pyramid. In 2024, a team of researchers discovered anomalies in the pyramid's thermal field. At night, the surface of some parts of the pyramid radiates heat even after dusk. This phenomenon indicates the presence of internal activity or unknown heat sources. There is a hypothesis that there may be remnants of ancient mechanisms or energy sources in the pyramid that still emit heat. Some of the metal elements in the pyramid's construction may have functioned as conductors for energy collection and transmission. There is a hypothesis that the pyramids may have been part of a global network that harnessed energy from the Earth and space. This hypothesis is based on the observation that the pyramids have similar structural features and orientation to the cardinal points. Japanese engineers have developed a special robotic device that can reach hard-to-reach parts of the pyramid, including newly discovered cavities. This robot aims to collect video data from rooms that no one has been able to explore before. Scientists hope that this research will provide answers to many questions that concern archaeologists and historians. Could the ancient Egyptians have had knowledge of the technologies that allowed them to use the pyramid to store and transmit energy? Are there any undiscovered rooms in the Cheops pyramid that could shed light on the mysteries surrounding its construction and purpose? The answers to these questions still remain unknown, but new discoveries only add to the intrigue, making the Cheops pyramid one of the most mysterious structures in the world. Theorists hope that new technologies will unravel the mysteries of the pyramid and reveal new facts about ancient civilizations. The discoveries that may come in the near future promise to transform our understanding of history and science. Will we ever be able to solve all the mysteries of the Cheops pyramid, or will it remain an eternal secret? One thing is for sure, with each new discovery, we are getting closer to understanding the true purpose of this structure. The Cheops pyramid remains a symbol of the mysterious craftsmanship of the ancient Egyptians, and its secrets have not yet been revealed. However, thanks to new technologies, the discoveries of 2024 are pushing us to understand that human history can be much more complex and deeper than we imagine.